Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Farmers Insurance mobile app for quotes, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, unlock your mobile device. Locate and open the App Store if you are using an iPhone. If you're using an Android device, open the Google Play Store. In the search bar at the top, type Farmers Insurance. Press the search button or tap enter. Find the official Farmers Insurance app in the search results. Ensure that the app is developed by Farmers Insurance Group. Tap on the app icon to open its page. Once on the app page, look for the Install or Get button. Tap this button to start the download process. Wait for the app to finish downloading and installing. After installation, find the app icon on your home screen or app drawer. Tap the Farmers Insurance app icon to open it. Once the app opens, you may need to create an account. Follow the prompts to enter your personal information. Provide any required details for your insurance quotes. After entering your information, you can proceed to get quotes. Explore the app's features to manage your insurance needs. Congratulations, you have successfully downloaded the Farmers Insurance mobile app for quotes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.